Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Guarda wallet. We will guide you through the simple steps to acquire Bitcoin directly within your secure wallet. First, open your Guarda wallet and navigate to the Buy section. Here, you will easily select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Then, choose the fiat currency you wish to use for your purchase, such as US dollars or euros, to begin the process. Next, you will select your preferred payment method. Guarda wallet typically supports several options, including major credit or debit cards and sometimes bank transfers. After choosing your method, simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy or the amount of fiat currency you want to spend. The system will then show you the current exchange rate and any applicable fees, ensuring full transparency before you proceed. Once your payment method is selected, you will securely enter your payment details. This might involve inputting your card number, expiration date, and security code. It is crucial to carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount of Bitcoin you will receive and the total cost. Some transactions may require a quick identity verification step to ensure security and compliance, which is a straightforward process. Congratulations! After successful payment, your newly purchased Bitcoin will be deposited directly into your Guarda wallet. Most transactions are processed very quickly, often within 5 to 10 minutes, though times can vary slightly. You can then view your Bitcoin balance and manage your assets with ease. Guarda wallet provides a secure and user-friendly platform for all your cryptocurrency needs, making buying Bitcoin simple and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.